Are you looking for the best blenders? In this video we will look at some of the best blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Ninja QB3001SS. The Ninja QB3001SS is a versatile and compact blender designed to meet various blending needs. Powered by a robust 700-watt push-to-blend motor base with pulse technology, it effortlessly handles a range of ingredients to deliver optimal blending results. The nutrient extraction feature allows you to unlock hidden nutrition from whole fruits and vegetables, extracting vitamins and nutrients that are often discarded. With its frozen blending capability, the Ninja QB3001SS can crush ice and pulverize frozen ingredients, enabling you to create resort-like frozen drinks, smoothies, and frozen treats. The blender's compact and simple design makes it suitable for any countertop, and its intuitive, easy-to-use controls enhance user convenience. Number 2. NutriBullet NB9-1301K Pro. The NutriBullet NB9-1301K Pro is a powerhouse in the world of nutrient extraction and blending. With a robust 900-watt motor, it outperforms its predecessor, making it faster and stronger. This blender is designed for simplicity, allowing users to easily incorporate dense whole foods like nuts, seeds, hard fruits, and kale into their diet for a healthier lifestyle. The optimized motor and refined nutrient extraction blades are specifically engineered to blend even the toughest whole foods, transforming them into nutritious shakes, smoothies, and nut butters. The stainless steel extractor blades leverage cyclonic action to break down ingredients efficiently. Number 3. Vitamix. Vitamix, a powerhouse in the world of blenders, offers a versatile and efficient blending experience with its advanced features. The variable speed control allows users to easily adjust the blending speed, giving them complete control over the texture of their blends. The dial can be rotated at any point during the blend, ensuring flexibility in the blending process. Designed for large batches, the self-cleaning 64-ounce container is not only convenient but also ideal for blending medium to large quantities of ingredients. The radial cooling fan and thermal protection system are notable design features, enhancing the durability and safety of the blender. Number 4. Ninja BL770. The Ninja BL770 is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to meet various blending and food processing needs. Its standout feature is the 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, equipped with a powerful 2+ horsepower motor that can pulverize ice into snow in seconds, ideal for creating creamy frozen drinks and smoothies. The pitcher has a 64-ounce maximum liquid capacity. In addition to its blending capabilities, the BL770 comes with an 8-cup food processor bowl that ensures perfect and even chopping. Impressively, this bowl can make up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds, showcasing its efficiency in food processing tasks. The appliance offers 4 versatile functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve, each utilizing 1500 watts of performance power. This allows users to customize their drink-making experience according to their preferences. Number 5. Oster Pro 1200 Blender. The Oster Pro 1200 blender is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to cater to various blending and food processing needs. With 7 speeds and 3 pre-programmed settings, it provides flexibility for different creations, from smoothies to shakes. The pulse feature adds an extra layer of control for precise blending. The blender comes with an 8-cup, BPA-free Triton plastic jar that is not only dishwasher safe but also known for its clarity, durability, safety, and style. The extra wide 3.5 jar opening facilitates easier access for ingredients, ensuring faster and smoother results.